After having repelled the water, the surface of the wood coated with Bontac can be adhered to virtually any substance. In this case, being applied to an XPS board, or XPS board applied to the surface of the wood coated with Bontac. In this instance, XPS applied to the surface of the cement panel coated with Bontac Eco 1500. Done entirely without the use of fasteners. Fully adhered. So we have water repellency, fire resistance, exceptional adhesion, cohesive force, as well as pressure sensitivity, demonstrating the wetting, the cohesive, and the adhesive and pressure sensitive properties of the Bontac coatings. Here we have Bontac top coat coated on cement board, on a wood panel, and on a metal panel, steel panel. The Bontac top coat, in combination with the Eco 1500, makes for an excellent system providing long-term extended waterproofing protection. Flexible coatings, highly reflective top coat, good adhesion, providing for a system that will last in excess of 10 years. Easy to clean, non-tacky surface, and highly reflective. A myriad of different applications for this, including a top coat for Eco 1500, or as a standalone Eco top coat for metal applications such as silos, fasteners, other metal components in construction. Excellent coating for transport truck rooftops, because water, snow, and ice will not adhere to it. And water tanks, exterior of water tanks, and a variety of other applications, wood coatings, metal coatings, cement coatings. Extremely flexible product, water resistant and fire resistant as well. Completely dry. Water with gravity just rolls right off, leaving the surface completely dry and easy to clean. Now, we have coated this area of some dirty lab cabinetry with the Bontac top coat. Extremely tough and resilient. Does not come off. Very